The previous years, and particularly 2017, there were issues with the transmission of results. There were issues of transmission of results in 2013 general election. Lessons learned from previous elections then helped us plan better in 2022. What we did in 2022 is we said we are not transmitting the text message of the results from the polling stations, because what happens when you transmit the text and then the results forms comes, there's always a problem between the text and the result forms. And then that creates room for misinformation and disinformation again. Then people say, the words used in Kenya is that you are cooking the results. So what we said, we shall only transmit the image, the form. At the end of polling, the presiding officer at the polling station, we had 46,229 polling stations. So the presiding officer completes the form, that 4A, which is polling station specific, counts the results with the agents, completes the form with the results, signs it. The agents of the candidates also sign the form and are given copies of that form. And what the presiding officer then does is scan the form on the KIMS kits and transmits it to the National Tallying Center, the Constituency Tallying Center, and the public portal at the same time. The image is captured on an encrypted digital PDF format using the KIMS device. And then the PDF is what is sent to the public portal. And the security feature here then is each form, that 4A has a QR code specific to that polling station. So you cannot transmit this form from any other device or from any other polling station. And that's what we did differently. We created a QR code, a 15-digit QR code for each polling station, and gave the rights to the specific station to the presiding officer so that it can be biometrically identified before he scans and sends the image. So it was not easy to get another form from any other place other than that polling station. And each of these forms could then be traced to that polling station. And even the forms we generated at constituency level called that 4B, which are for the 290 constituencies, were also uploaded on the public portal. And the form that 4C, which is the summation of form that 4A's, all the 46,229 forms, giving the result of presidential candidate, was also uploaded on the public portal. So at the end of the day, this information was available for everybody to see. The commission has the results. It will keep them for the next 3 years. And anybody who wishes to interact with them is free to engage the commission.